Hey mates, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to mirror your Android screen to Windows. Go to Setting, then System, then Projection to this PC. Click on Add Optional Feature, choose Wireless Display. Back to the Projection to this PC menu. Now you have an option if you want to share to a secure networks you set up or to everybody that connected to the same Wi-Fi, or keep it on always off in case you don't want anybody casting without permission. And you can choose to ask permission every time someone connect. You can set up a pin that be able to connect without entering the ping for the first time or always. And you can change your computer name. That's the way it will be shown on the same Wi-Fi if someone want to connect. Choose Launch the Connect app to project to this PC. Now look under the Android settings for the casting option. It has a variety of names, so look for something with casting or projecting. Make sure that you connect to the same network Wi-Fi, and it will scan the network, and then you will see your computer name and choose to cast, and it should work. Okay, yeah, now it's connecting. As you can see, our screen is being shared. You can control your Android device. Let's go back to the settings and to the casting option and stop the casting. You can turn the projection to this PC option to off on your Windows machine, and if you want to remove this feature, go to optional features, search for wireless display, and just remove it. That's it. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe, and have a nice day. Cheers.